Hi everyone, I am Abhishek Mishra and welcome back. This long weekend has been full of big moves. GST tax cuts, India's new defense shield, and even a Trump Putin meet. Add to that fresh tariff rumors and tomorrow's market opening could be explosive. In the next few minutes, I'll break down how equity, bonds, and commodities are likely to react, and most importantly, what it means for your investment. So stay with me till the end because you'll want to know whether to expect a market rally or brace for volatility. Let's dive right in. Now, let's talk about the biggest economic news GST reforms. The center is considering a massive simplification of the tax system. Instead of multiple confusing slabs, we may soon have just two main rates 5% and 18%, plus a special 40% for luxury and sin goods. Here's the kicker about 99% of items from the 12% bracket could move down to 5%, making everyday essentials cheaper, and nearly 90% of goods from the 28% slab may shift to 18%, giving big relief to industries and consumers. If implemented, this rejig would make the tax system cleaner, boost spending power, and could be a big positive trigger for equity markets. But certainly ITC will have tough time.
On the defense front, we have a truly historic development. Mission Sudarshan Chakra. Think of it as India's very own Iron Dome, a powerful multi-layered shield designed to intercept aerial threats. With an investment of nearly 1.2 trillion rupees over the next decade, this system is expected to be fully operational by 2035. But for investors, this is more than just about national security. It could spark long-term opportunities in the defense sector. Some companies that may see action include Hindustan Aeronautics, HAL, Bharat Dynamics, BDL, Bharat Electronics, BEL, Mazagon Dock and Cochin Shipyard, Paras Defense and Data Patterns, BEML. Solar industries. These companies could attract fresh investor interest in the days ahead. Shifting gears to geopolitics. Trump and Putin met in Alaska, Putin's first US visit since 2015. But here's the catch, no ceasefire, no concrete deal on Ukraine. Trump even said, now the pressure is on Ukraine. Markets hate uncertainty, and with no breakthrough, we're staring at more volatility in global equities and safe haven assets like gold. Next up, trade tensions are heating up again. Trump hit India with a 50% tariff on exports, linking it to Russian oil imports. He even accused India of reselling Russian oil for profit. And the warning, China could be next. But despite the noise, India is firm. Oil imports from Russia will continue. This story is far from over, and every headline here has the power to shake commodities and emerging market bonds. So, how does all this tie back to tomorrow's opening bell? Here's the snapshot. Equities could jump on GST cuts and positive consumer sentiment. Defense stocks might attract buyers thanks to Sudarshan Chakra. Bonds may feel pressure from fiscal spending and global uncertainty. Commodities like oil and gold remain highly sensitive to tariffs and geopolitical risk. In short, it's shaping up to be a volatile start, but also one full of opportunities that wraps up today's market preview. Now tell me in the comments, which story do you think will drive markets the most tomorrow? GST, defense, or global trade tensions? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with anyone tracking equity, bonds, or commodities. And hit that bell icon so you're always ahead of the curve. See you tomorrow with fresh updates. Until then, happy investing.